Hey guys, it's Allison, and today I'm getting a doggy. Water. Let that be water. I'm getting a doggy. Yes. Finally, after 11 years of my life, I'm getting a doggy, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna cry and everything.
You do?
Where are we getting it from again?
I have no idea.
It's a dog store in Virginia. That's all we know.
Yep.
And they have a lot of really cute dogs. I think I'm gonna get like a teddy dog. I think it was like a teddy bear type of dog.
It's really cute.
It's really adorable. And you get to play with them. You get to see us play with that, play with the dogs. And so yeah, we'll see you when we get there. Right?
So yeah, we'll see you when we're there.
I'm getting a puppy.
Okay, so what's happening?
We're at the puppy place, and I get a puppy.
We're getting out.
Okay,
We're about to get Allison a puppy.
The puppy. We're getting fluffy. It's gonna be so fluffy.
Right there.
I'm so excited. I'm actually gonna cry. Oh, where's my key?
My mom forgot her key. Okay.
It's like, I'm so excited because like I'm about to get a puppy and the place is right there. It's Puppy City. I'm a famous person now. Oh my god. I'm already about to cry.
We're in.
A dog.
It's good with children.
I think this is the type of dog. I want this one. I want this one. Can I have this one? Hi. Oh, look, this one is so cute. What's your name? Oh my god. I want this one, Mom. I want this one. Can I have this one? This is my favorite one. It loves me. Oh, look at this one. I want to play with that one.
Oh my gosh, you are so cute.
Oh
my god, Vision.
Allison.
I want this one, please. Can we play with this one? Oh my god. Hi. I love you. I actually love this dog.
I found Allison's dog dictionary.
Can she see that?
Yeah, one straight up with the Maltese. Yeah.
Oh my god.
There's a Maltese and a Bichon, and then the other one is a teddy bear Bichon.
Hi. You are so.
Take my shoes off soon. No, this is not tug of war right now. No. No. Don't eat my shoes. No.
So
No.
cute.
I love you, but no. 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 No.
You're gonna get the shot.
Don't eat
You're gonna get
those.
the shots that they already have. Yeah,
Hi.
but you're.
Toys you actually play with them.
The,
Okay.
we work
Oh.
with 3 different sessions.
So this is the one?
Yeah. This is the first.
What's his name?
Snowball.
Snowball?
Yeah.